How to enable Cash App Check Deposit. In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable Cash App Check Deposit. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This will take you to the Cash App homepage, as you can see here. Next, tap on the bank icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will take you to the Cash App Money section. On this page, there are various options that are related to money, as you can see. From there, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. Next, come down to this section of the page named More Ways to Add Money. Under the section, there are more options that are related to adding money. From them, tap this one here named Deposit Checks. After that, this other page will appear where Cash App is giving you more information on depositing checks. Make sure you tap here, Continue. This other page will appear. On this page, you are required to enter the amount of money you want to deposit as a check. After doing that, tap here, Confirm Amount. This other page will appear. On this page, you have to confirm if everything is correct. Also, you have to tap on this checkbox here. After that, go ahead and tap this other option named Confirm Front of Check. After that, you have to apply the same method to the back page of the check too. Finally, this page will appear here where there are two options. You have to scan and submit both the front and back ends of the check using your phone camera. After that, go ahead and submit the check. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to enable Cash App Check Deposit.